This is the teacher's guide for sun steps. All right. Once we establish the pattern on the first 2 lines, it's going to repeat that pattern through the rest of the song. The rhythmic pattern is all quarter notes. Like, look at the first line. The entire line is just straight quarter notes. And then the entire second line is just straight quarter notes until the last measure. Then it's quarter note, rest, quarter note, rest. So you've really got to watch on that measure with the rests, that you give those rests. Okay, another thing, this song moves really smoothly just switching hands. Like if the audience were listening to you with their eyes closed, they wouldn't even know that you switched hands. It just has to be really smooth. A smooth meaning a smooth change, because it's not played smooth. It's all staccato. And it's the lava keys that we talked about before, plucking a rubber band right here, and it's just the fingers moving. But look, the fingers move all the way up and back down. Both your thumbs are here on middle C. So when the right hand plays, the left hand just moves off. Now the left hand takes over. Now the right hand. You just come down to A and back up. And here's our right hand, rest, left hand, rest. See, the right hand plays the C almost all the time until the very, very last note of that second line. Then the left hand gets a turn to play it. So get your left hand thumb off there. Let the right hand do that. So staccatos, play it nice and even without any pauses, and watch those rests.